Today's video will guide you step by step through the process of opening a broker account, from registration to account verification. By the end of this video, you'll have an account ready to trade Forex, stocks, metals, energy, and cryptocurrencies. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. So let's dive in. To begin, there's a link provided in the first line of the video description or pinned in the comment section below. That will take you to the page you need. Once you're on the page, you'll see what the broker's landing page looks like. If you want more detailed information about the broker, you can read it here. When you click on the hamburger menu at the top corner, you'll find a list of accounts available. They offer both standard and professional accounts, which is fantastic. You'll also see a range of trading instruments provided by the broker, covering various markets. Additionally, there are different trading platforms available, including MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. If you're already familiar with TradingView, I recommend trying out the Exness terminal. For more detailed information, take some time to read through the descriptions provided. It's worth understanding all your options before making a decision. If you've decided to register, simply click on Open Account, and it will redirect you to the registration page. Start by entering your country's name, then input your valid email address. When creating your password, follow the instructions provided below. When the colors turn green, it means you've met the requirements and your password is good to go. Once everything is set, click on the button indicating that you're not a US citizen, then hit Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be directed to a page to choose an account we're setting up a real account. Inside this real account, you'll also have the option to create a demo account. Click on Real Account to continue. Once you've done that, your registration process is complete. Now, these are the payment methods to withdraw and deposit funds. You'll notice that they're currently locked, indicating that we need to complete the account verification process first. To verify your account, click on Become a Real Trader. This will take you to the page where you can verify your email address. Click on Send Me Code to receive the verification code to your email inbox. Once you've received the code, copy and paste it into the designated field, then click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and choose whether you prefer to receive the verification code via SMS or call. I chose SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it into the provided field and click Continue. After verifying your phone number, you'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, gender, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information you provide matches the details on your national ID or passport. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Continue to proceed. Now that we've completed our profile, if you wish to deposit using cryptocurrency, we need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer form. To do this, click on Complete Verification, which will take you to the verification page. It's a straightforward process. Just read through the options and select the level that corresponds to your current situation. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. After that, you'll be directed to the document verification section. Once again, it's crucial to ensure that your name matches exactly with your national ID or passport. If it's not, you have to edit to Mac UID then. Click on Upload Documents, which will then prompt you to select the type of ID you'll be using to verify your account. Choose from the list provided. In my case, I'll select ID card. You'll then be asked to take clear photos of both the front and back of your ID. It's important to take these photos during the registration process and not to use any stored photos. Make sure the photos are clear, readable, and that your ID is not expired. After submitting your ID documents, the next step is to verify your residence. This is a standard procedure for regulated brokers to ensure legitimacy. You'll be presented with a list of documents you can use for this verification. In my case, I'll choose a bank account statement. If you don't have one readily available, you can visit your bank service provider and request a bank account statement, and must not be older than 6 months. Once you have the statement, take a clear photo of it. Remember not to use any stored photos. They must be taken during the registration process. After capturing and submitting the photo of your bank account statement, your residence verification process will be complete. After submitting your documents, they will undergo a review process, which typically takes between 3 to 7 minutes. In some cases, it might take up to 24 hours. Following each step outlined in the video ensures a smooth verification process. By adhering to these instructions carefully, you're less likely to encounter any issues during the review period. In the next video, we'll guide you through the process of depositing and withdrawing with cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to share it with your friends.